Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn about CSS. CSS refers to cascading style sheets. It is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of document written in HTML or XML, as it controls the layout, colors, fonts and overall appearance of the web page. It is nothing but it is described to use the presentation of the document. Here we have different types of CSS. We have external CSS. Here we link the CSS file with the HTML file to style the entities. Then we have this internal CSS. Here the CSS properties are specified in a style tag of the head part in the HTML file. And the last one is the inline CSS. These are specified within the entity to be styled using the style attribute. We'll learn one by one. So there are three types of CSS. The first one is the external CSS, the second one is the internal CSS, and the third one is the inline CSS. So we'll check that with the help of an example. Before that, we'll create a file in the name of index9.html, as this is our ninth chapter. Okay, I have created a boilerplate. Here I am going to change the title into CSS. CSS refers to cascading style sheet. Today we are going to learn about the inline CSS. Before that, I'll create an example. I'll just create a h1 tag. I'll write welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to write a paragraph. Okay, I'll write the paragraph as this is my new paragraph. Okay, we'll just check this. Okay, this is how it looks like. Here we are going to add the styling. I'll change the title into inline CSS, as we are learning the inline CSS. This inline CSS involves applying styles directly to the individual HTML element using the style attribute. Here we are going to use this style attribute. Just write style, then enter. Here I am going to change the background color as blue. After that, I'll give a space and I'll color it. Okay, wait for a second. I'll enter color as white. The background will be blue and the text will be white in color. We'll check this. You can see this. This is how the inline CSS works. Here I'll style this paragraph with a different color. I'll use red background and color as white. This is how the inline CSS works. It is just we are adding a styles directly to the individual HTML element. In the same way, we have this internal CSS and external CSS. There are some advantages of inline CSS. That is, this is quick and easy to apply for the small changes. and it is useful for testing or when the styles are not needed for the single element. We can just clear this. And this is not useful for the larger projects. That's why this is not very useful, as we use the external CSS most of the time. So this was for today, and thanks for watching this video.